guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and thanks so much for stopping by my YouTube channel to hang out with me for this quick video. If you're new here, I'm Latoya. I create personalized and custom party favors. You can find all of my designs over in my Etsy shop. I'll leave a link in the description box down below. Here on my YouTube channel, I show you all how to create your own personalized and custom party favors from chip bags, Capri Sun labels, Rice Krispie treats, using one of my favorite editing software services, Canva.com, which makes it so easy, guys. So if you're interested in learning how to make your own custom designs, you can check out all of my previous videos where I show you how to do that. If you're interested in any of my blank templates, you can find them down in the description box down below. So today is Friday, which means freebies. I really enjoy making freebies for you all to help you do more for less. It's back to school time, so this week's freebie is a back to school chip bag template that you can find for free by heading on over to my website. I'll leave the link in the description box down below. This freebie is only available for today only. Today is Friday, so it's only available for today. So if you're watching this video after today, it may not be available for free. If you don't know how to print and assemble the chip bags, you can watch my previous videos here on my channel. I have a lot of videos here showing you how to print and assemble these chip bags. You don't have to use them for just chips. These, you can put like small little treats in there, some back to school supplies for your kids. So this is perfect. Guys, thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, and also feel free to share with any teachers or parents. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos and freebies. If you end up using this printable, be sure to tag us at Hanging with the Kiddos on Instagram and Facebook. I would really love to see how you and the kids enjoyed the free printables. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.